this is one withdrawal, this is another withdrawal, and this is another withdrawal. All this money has been withdrawn by my sister, and you know that over here we don't get keep. If I have withdrawn before, I will come out plainly and tell you people that yes, I've withdrawn. No, but if I've not withdrawn, I will make sure I get somebody that has withdrawn that is legit, and they come here and come and share receipt or withdrawal proof with you guys. But in this case, I have not withdrawn before, but my sister has. My sister is always doing this platform because she's online 247. Oh, hey God, she would do it and come and tell me that, see, oh, this one has paid me, and I will be like, oh my God. So I always share proof with my community people as well. So this site is being tested and trusted by a genuine person. But my sister, oh, that, see, there's no fake alert here. All right, so if you try this thing, you come and tell me thank you later. All right, so now let me basically tell you everything you need to know about this platform. Now you can get free 0.30 cents every single day. Yes, you heard me right. You are getting 0.30 cents every single day when you log in. Like you are not doing anything. Now the two ways for you to earn on this platform is just to sign in and to refer people. Now the name of this platform is called Bat Alliance. Okay, so the registration link will be at the description box. Just check the description box area and register on this platform. Please, disclaimer, I came across this platform through my sister and I saw that it's legit. That's why I'm bringing to your notice. So please do it to carry out your research first before investing money in this platform or going into this platform. All right, so now there are only two ways for you to earn on this platform. The number one way is just for you to log in and earn. That is just it. And then another way for you to earn is just by referring people. You will earn massively from this platform. And the good thing about this platform is that you can withdraw daily. Their withdrawal limit is $3. Once you have up to $3, you can withdraw, okay? Or let me just say that withdrawal, their minimum withdrawal is $3. So once you have up to $3, you can withdraw as well. Now, you can actually make money without investing on this platform, and you can also make money investing on this platform. And of course, when you invest, that is when the money comes faster. And of course, it's when you invest that the money will come faster. All right, so now if you don't want to invest, when you register, click on the link at the description box I've said earlier. So once you register, put in your password, your email, that's your password, your email, and everything. Just very easy for you to sign up to this platform. All right, so immediately you sign up, it will take you to a dashboard, your dashboard like this. So you are going to see all these things that is here. So now this is for the free people that does not want to invest. This first one, 0.30 cents. So immediately you register, all you need to do is to come to this site and check in every single day. Now where are you going to check in? You are going to look down, you see tax. All right, so click on this tax. When you click on this tax, this is where your daily tax will appear. As you can see, I've already done my tax. So if you're doing the free version, you're going to see one tax every single day. But if you invest in it, you're going to see another one, like two or three. It depends on the amount you invested. All right, so for me it's just one that appears every day. So I've already completed my tax every day. So for the free version, if you don't want to invest money, what you'll be getting is 0.3 cents, the way I showed to you the other time. All you need to do is to click on the tax and complete tax here. There's something like complete tax here. This place that they wrote no data, you see complete tax here. So just click on the complete tax and the 0.3 cents will be added to your wallet. All right, so now when you pay, now let me go and share with you. So when you pay now, you will earn faster. So now the reason why these ones are locked is because I have not invested in this platform. All right, so now when you invest now, their minimum investment is $8. So now when you invest the $8, you are going to be making $3 every single day. And my dear, immediately you invest, you can withdraw the $3. Immediately you get a 3, you can withdraw it immediately. That's the sweet part of it. You are not waiting for 3 days or 4 days before you withdraw. No, you are going to withdraw the money that day. Alright, so you're going to withdraw your money that day. Now another one is $14. So the higher your investment, the higher the amount you are getting per day. And trust me, any amount you invest, immediately you do the tax, you can withdraw that one out first. Make you use and see road first before any other thing, you understand? So the higher the investment, the higher the amount you are catching out every single day. All right, so when you want to pay in money, you click on this recharge. All right, so when you click on this recharge, use any of this method. Either use BEP20 USDT or Tron20 USDT, TRC, BNB, BEP20 USDC. Any of this will made available for you. And you know that all these wallets can be found on your Bybit or your Binance app, alright? So make sure if you want to do it, you better have your Bybit and your Binance before depositing money. If you don't have it, you can, contact any and they let them deposit the money for you and start cashing out from this platform. Trust me, people are cashing out daily, alright? People are cashing out. But if you feel as if you don't want to put in money, man, dear, just come in here and just do your tax every single day. Just come in here, do your tax every single day, and you'll be credited 0.3 cents. And trust me, in 11 or 12 days, you're going to get a $3. Immediately you have a $3, just come over here and click on withdraw. All right. As you can see, I have 1.20 USDT, so I cannot withdraw because our minimum withdrawal is $3. All right. So now all you need to do is keep coming here, keep logging in every single day, and then immediately you have your $3, just put in and then just come back here and withdraw. And the method of withdrawal is BEP20 USDT. That's why I told you that whether you are investing, where you don't want to invest, make sure you have your Bybit or your Binance, app on your phone. So you just go to your Bybit wallet and then copy your BEP20 wallet address and then just come and paste it here, and your money will be credited to your wallet. All right, so you're catching out in dollars, not in naira. Yeah, because I'm in Nigeria, that is what I'm saying. So all right, so if you're in UK or anywhere watching this video, you can cash it out as dollars in your location. All right, but if you're in Nigeria, any other country, you can cash it out like that. All right, and change it to your naira or Ghanaian cedis. All right, so this is just basically how the platform works. All right, so you must have Bybit or any wallet that has BEP20 before you be able to withdraw from this platform. All right, so payments are being made out from this platform on a daily basis. So guys, you to come here and start making money. 0.30 cents is not a joke. So come in here, just free login. You're not doing anything. Or all right, so just come in here and come and log in. Even if you don't want to invest, just come in here and then just log in and get a free 0.30 cents and then just withdraw when you have up to $3. If there's anything that you don't understand, okay, on this video, just let me know at the comment section. I'm sure I'm going to be telling you, and I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link, my WhatsApp group link. So you do have to click on the link and come over there so that we can discuss more about this platform. All right, please do it fast though, now that it's working. These platforms now, hey, allegedly. It can be funny, after this first time, sometime now, hey, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is just this. So this is the update I have for you guys. So if this video was helpful, please like this video so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that want to make money online doing nothing. All right, so just so that YouTube will push it out so that they can see it and then also make money just like you want to make money on this platform. All right, so also hit on the subscribe button, and sure, I'm going to be sharing with you more ways for us to make money online and how to grow our YouTube channel. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.